Hello everyone, good morning. This is me Avishka and the bulletin today starts with HCLTech completes acquisition of HPE's Communication Technology Group. We have Unacademy and Allen Career Institute in advanced merger talks. HCG and Accenture partner to revolutionize cancer care with AI. Samsung's One UI 7 to discontinue downloadable edge panels. Nano bubble technology introduced at Delhi Zoo for water purification. Then we have Zen Technology which shares slip amid block deal worth rupees 386 crore. We have EsiumAstro and Axiom Space which develop next-gen lunar spacesuit systems. Now, in the previous quiz, we asked you what does VPN stand for? The answer is Virtual Private Network. It's time for our daily tech quiz. Here's today's question: which symbol is used for email addresses? Confident you've got the answer? Drop your guess in the comments below and tune in to tomorrow's news bulletin to find out if you've nailed it. Stay tuned. Let's start with the first news. HCL has finalized the acquisition of assets from HPE Communication Technology Group following a May 2024 announcement. This deal enhances HCLTech's leadership in telecom services, adding top-tier intellectual property, engineering expertise, and access to 20 of the world's 30 largest communication service providers. The acquisition strengthens HCLTech's global CSP market presence across North America, Latin America, Europe, and Asia Pacific. Over 1,500 project engineering specialists from CTG have joined HCLTech, bolstering agile methodology and delivery capabilities. Anil Ganju, HCLTech's Chief Growth Officer, emphasized the synergy between the teams, promising accelerated growth in digital services and CSP partnership. Now, this move underscores HCLTech's commitment to innovation and a stronger global footprint in telecom engineering. Moving ahead, Unacademy is negotiating a potential merger with Allen Career Institute, which could lower its valuation to $800 million from $3.4 billion in 2021. This includes $160 million in cash reserves. The deal, facilitated by Bodhi Tree, an Allen investor, hinges on share swap agreements and promoter approval from Allen Maheshwari family. Unacademy founders may exit post-merger following a series of cost-cutting measures, including layoffs and executive departure. The proposed merger reflects consolidation of India's edtech sector. Earlier this year, Unacademy CEO Gaurav Munjal faced backlash for having halting appraisals while wearing luxury attire, highlighting financial challenges despite above-average company performance. If finalized, the deal could redefine the landscape of India's competitive edtech industry by combining resources and expertise. Then we have Healthcare Global Enterprises (HCG) and Accenture, which are collaborating to advance cancer care using generative AI and deep learning. This partnership will analyze multidimensional patient data to enhance early cancer detection and personalized treatment. Initially focusing on lung, head, and neck cancer, the initiative aims to identify molecular signatures for better prognosis and therapy responses. Accenture's AI expertise coupled with HCG's oncology insights will drive innovation in drug discovery, precision medicine, as well as data-driven clinical practices. Dr. B.S. Ajay Kumar of HCG highlighted the role of AI in tailoring patient-centric therapies. The collaboration is expected to set new standards in South Asia and tech-driven cancer research and treatment. Now, Samsung's One UI 7 based on Android 15 will reportedly end the availability of downloadable edge panels from the Galaxy Store. Users can retain previously downloaded panels via the My App screen but cannot re-download them after uninstalling. Devices shipping with One UI 7 will allow access to previously downloaded panels. Edge panels, a decade-old feature, enable quick access to apps and widgets. Samsung also recently discontinued its DEX for Windows app, indicating a shift in its software strategy. While these removals may disappoint some users, Samsung aims to streamline its offerings, focusing on innovation in its flagship feature to enhance user experience with the upcoming One UI update. Then we have Union Minister Kirti Vardhan Singh, who has launched Nano bubble technology at Delhi Zoo to improve pond water quality and aquatic animal health. This innovative method effectively eliminates algae and other contaminants. Currently under a 15-day trial, the technology aims to combat common issues like foul odors and discoloration in pond water. Zoo officials are also tackling winter challenges with water sprinklers to reduce pollution and heaters to keep animals warm. Director Dr. Sanjeev Kumar emphasized the zoo's commitment in ensuring the well-being of animals during winter while maintaining a pollution-free environment. If successful, nanobubble technology could set a precedent for sustainable water management in a similar ecosystem. Now we have Zen Technology, which has witnessed a 7% drop in shares following a rupees 386 crore block deal involving 21.4 lakh shares at rupees 1,800 each, a 5.9% discount from the previous session. By mid-morning trading, shares were down by 4.5% at rupees 1,826.1 despite the decline. Analysts remain optimistic about the company's prospects in India's defense sector. Nuvama Institutional Equities projects ZenTech to benefit from India's defense manufacturing goals, expecting strong order inflows and a 54% EPS growth by FY27. Known for its defense simulators and anti-drone systems, ZenTech continues to attract investor confidence, positioning itself as a key player in India's defense production ambition. EsiumAstro is partnering with Axiom Space to create advanced communication and computing system for next-generation lunar spacesuits. EsiumAstro's software-defined radio will support critical life support function, high-speed data transfer, and robust communication in the harsh lunar environment. The system is designed for flexibility, reliability, and future upgrades, ensuring long-term performance during moon mission. Now, Axiom Space Russell Reston praised EsiumAstro's innovative efforts, which enhance astronaut safety and efficiency. This collaboration represents a significant milestone in lunar exploration, paving the way for deeper space mission and advancing human spaceflight capabilities. This was it for today's news. For more such tech updates, make sure you stay tuned to IT Voice.